Cover the story here today, and here's what we know about this company, Wiesel, where the blaze is right now. The company was founded back in 2007. It takes used vegetable oil and it turns it into biodiesel. When our cameras visited this plant back in 2010 on invitation, the owner then, Stu Lamb, said that the plant can produce 1,000 gallons an hour of this biodiesel. They currently can produce up to 15.8 million gallons every year. That's a max. This is not the first time there has been a fire at this plant, by the way. We were there back in May of 2011 when the facility had a fire back then. It took about 90 minutes to put the thing out then. This fire, as we know, has lasted more than twice that time, actually almost 4 hours now. At the time, we were told it did not involve fuel tanks, the old blaze we're talking about now. The Contact 5 investigators did some checking on this. They've looked at the history of the plant, and here's what we know. It was hit with about $12,000 in fines from OSHA 2 years ago, in fact, this month. And it has 7 listed violations currently that the state is calling serious violations. That's for things like hazardous waste and how tools and trucks are being used. Our investigators digging deeper on this story. We're going to try to figure out what caused this blaze. The Martin County Sheriff saying they are still digging into that. We're staying on top of the story. We'll have full coverage for you in a wrap coming up.